How to fix bad sound quality issue in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In your Windows, simply open Control Panel, and then at the top right, make sure View by is large icons. After you've done that, in here, click on Sound. After you click on Sound, select the speaker you use and then press on Properties at the bottom. Then click on Levels in here and make sure you max the volume. After you've done that, click on Advanced. In Advanced, make sure your quality is the highest one. After you've done that, press on Apply at the bottom and press on OK. Another thing what you can do is open Device Manager and scroll down. Scroll down and then expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device and click on Properties. After you've clicked on Properties, click on Driver at the top. Click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then press on Let Me Pick. After you've pressed on it, select your device, then press on Next. After you've done that, simply install it by pressing on Yes and you're good to go. This is how to fix bad sound quality issue in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.